Do you know where the world's biggest sausage fest is? No, it's not a brewdog bar on a Saturday night. It's here in Hungary, and I'm here to check it out. The Csabai Sausage Festival is the World Cup for Central and Eastern European sausage fans, where thousands of people descend on the small town of Békéscsaba for a festival of music, drink, and sausages. But what is it that makes Csabai the world's most popular sausage party? Let's find out. So I've never been to Hungary before, so I brought my friend Stu, who's been before. Stu, what's your Hungary experience?
A romantic weekend with the then girlfriend, now wife.
All right, so it might be similar this weekend.
Yeah.
What do you know about what we're doing this weekend?
I know absolutely nothing.
Now, the Sausage Festival isn't here, but I thought we'd have a night in Budapest. And so we're going to go and check out some ruin bars. Do you know what they are?
I have absolutely no idea what a ruin bar is, so this will be a fun experience.
Let's get ruined.
Very good.
So this is the old Jewish ghetto, and in the early 2000s, a lot of these buildings were in ruin and a bit of a mess. And what happened was, someone saw, people basically just got in them and started opening bars. And the original one of those ruin bars is this, just here. So we'll check that out first.
Oh, look at the look of his face.
I'm impressed.
Is it good?
What, starting with the dead rabbit?
It's good, man.
Cheers, old
Dead
pal.
rabbit, what percentage is this?
Dead rabbit, I think it's around about 8.4%, so it's a
Punchy start. For
punchy
double
stuff,
IPA.
very, yes, double IPA.
That's so nice.
That is really good.
Let's
That
take
is
this and have a little
dangerous.
look around.
Let's drink this and fall flat on the floor.
Good, isn't it?
It's really good, I really like it. What did you say it was born out of again?
So this is the old Jewish ghetto in the Second World War, this sort of area, walled in, and a lot of trains went off to concentration camps and stuff, but it was all very run down by the 2000s. And this place here was the first one that they basically took it over, made it into sort of a bohemian sort of creative space. And then loads of other ruin bars sprung up from there, and now it's a big sort of tourist attraction for Hungary and Budapest in general.
So how many more of them do you think?
There's quite a lot, I think. I don't know. There's quite a lot around, so it's probably the only one we'll do tonight, Stu.
Well, this one's massive. Got cocktail bar, wine bar, Prosecco on tap.
It's obviously very touristy. There's a lot of people down there doing their Instagram things. I mean, I'm not moaning. I'm literally making a YouTube video. But it's interesting, and it's lovely atmosphere, lovely beer. I mean, this is fantastic. Great little craft sort of things. Stu, big fan of ruin bars, but I think we need some food. And right round the corner, there's this lovely little, I don't know, street food emporium.
It's called the Caravan Street Food Bar.
What do you fancy?
Wow, we're in Hungary, we've got goulash, but there was a Philly cheesesteak down there as well.
Let's have a look.
We ate the Philly cheesesteaks, then explored the city. We found an authentic Hungarian eatery, visited a few other bars, made a girl do press-ups, hung out with some nice Swedish dudes, had some exotic cocktails, then eventually went to bed.
Very keen to see what the quality of the train is going to be like, whether it's going to be a fancy modern thing or a tin pot one. In fact, I can see a tin pot one there, but is ours down there? Mid-range, I'd say. What do you think of the train, Stu?
Robbie, it looks like a freight train, mate.
We got human freight.
Oh dear God.
I enjoy Budapest, but I'm quite excited to stay in a sort of non-touristy Hungarian town. So quite happy to be here. Look forward to getting in the hotel, maybe having a little rest, and then exploring.
After chilling out and getting some goulash, we got an early night to prepare for Sausage Fest.
Been in Hungary for a couple of days now, and I spent last night in this town. We're staying here tonight as well. It's Gyula, Gyula, something like that. Apologies to Hungarians for my pronunciation. We're going to get on a train now and head over to the Sausage Fest. The name's Alcohol, Mr. Alcohol. I know it's early in the day, Stu, and we're a bit of away from the festival site, but it doesn't feel like if you're arriving at Glastonbury, there's not many people around.
No, there's not hordes of people walking up to this festival.
It is a 3-day thing though. We're going on the Friday, so I imagine the weekends are more busy, but...
So is this day one?
This is day, I don't know. It's the first day I could buy a ticket for.
Right,
but
okay.
I think there might be some things going on Thursday as well, but...
One of those like pre-festival evening vibes where you just rock up and chill out for a bit before the main event.
I think so, but we'll have a little look and see what it's like. So we just traded our tickets for our sausage wristbands, and now nothing can stop us from entering the Sausage Fest, apart from obviously security if they decided they didn't want us in, but we probably can't be stopped. We're probably going to get in. Made it into Sausage Fest, and already looks quite a big deal. I didn't realise it would be quite like this. It's got its own custom-made location, a bit like Oktoberfest, that's dedicated to the Sausage Fest. So we have a look around and see what we can see. Stu, I've seen that first sausage, look over there.
That is amazing.
Here's 10,000 of whatever this money is. Go and get some sausages, and if it's not enough, come back.
Okie doke. You want this big massive one?
Yeah, 2, 1 each. Okay, first sausage of the day, let's have a go. It's nice, it's a bit spicy, sort of almost like a chorizo-y type taste to it. Early signs, sausages are good.
Csabai Kolbászfesztivál.
It's interesting this, it's a mix of live music, food, drink, and then there was just someone just using a flamethrower on a dead pig. So, something for everyone. Travelling across Europe to make videos isn't the cheapest thing to do, but this video has been made possible thanks to the long-term support of our sponsor, Manual. 1 in 4 men over 30 in the UK suffer from low testosterone, and recently I decided to find out if I was one of them. It was easy to test for low testosterone with Manual's simple, at-home finger prick blood test. I used this little pokey thing to make a hole in my finger, had a little bleed into a pot, and then sent it off to the lab so the science mongers could do their business. The symptoms of low testosterone include low mood, low energy, weight gain, low muscle mass, lack of focus, and poor sleep quality. And did you know that testosterone drops 1% every year in men over 30? Manual is the UK's trusted low testosterone clinic with world-class expertise and doctors. 90% of Manual's patients reported improvements in symptoms within 3 months. It turns out my testosterone is pretty normal. My weight gain is just due to eating an excessive amount of sausages. But I'm glad I got it tested with the UK's most trusted testosterone clinic. If you're not feeling your best, then start improving your testosterone levels with Manual today. You can get 45% off your first Manual at-home finger prick blood test kit using my code Robbie45 at checkout, or by clicking the link down there. Now let's go eat some sausages. So that tent's amazing. There's hundreds of different teams taking part in a sausage making competition. They're like building models out sausages. There's live music, people dancing. Today's like the teenager day, I think, and then the adult competitions on Saturday and Sunday. But a lovely atmosphere, lovely sausages. Nice place. Right, Stu, we've had a drink, we've had a little look around, we've seen some sausage making. What should we do now?
Should we go and see how that pig's doing that we saw getting flamed earlier?
All right, we'll go check it out. For those of you interested in the pig update, it's getting a bath and rubbed with wire wool.
All cleaned up, innit?
Yeah. Little kids amusement park behind us, fun for the whole family. So if you're into sausages, no matter how old you are, you'll have a nice time here. You can, if you're a teenager, you can go into the sausage making competition. If you're an adult, you can drink beer. If you're a small child, you can drink that. And if you just like watching pigs get flamethrowered, there's something for you. So what is good here at Sausage Fest is the pricing. 2 beers, I don't think they're quite pints, but I don't know what measures they are, but decent sized beers came to £4.12 in Hungarian Florence, wherever the currency is. I should probably learn that. So pretty good, about £2 a beer at a festival. That's decent, to be honest. It's a really nice day out so far. I can't believe how hot it is. It's what, late October, and it's like 20 degrees or something. T-shirt weather, much warmer than it is in the UK. I don't know why I assumed Hungary would be cold, but based on no evidence or anything, it's not. It's tropical heat. You never know what you're going to get at Sausage Fest. You walk into that tent unaware and it's just a DJ playing while kids learn to ride a bike.
It was.
Just brilliant. What have you been looking at?
Well, there's tasers. Can I show you? Can I show him?
Yeah, but
Don't taser me.
Can I not? Look at that. Ah, you got the safety. Wow, I'm not doing anything. That is mental. That is freaky. I could have literally tasered you then.
I can't believe they're just letting you have a go at a taser.
Why not? Sausage Fest.
You don't get this at Glastonbury.
There is absolutely tons of sausages. Look at this place. You could literally get a 5-foot sausage. That might even be 6 foot. That is enormous.
Stu, a lot of the festivals, they don't have shops selling knives.
Not to the extent that we've got here. You've literally got every type of knife you want, but some of these are absolutely lovely. Look at those. Look at the decorative knives.
Kozanom Zeppin. Is that good? Yeah? Kozanom Spezin. 7. I think this might be the results of the Sausage Fest. So Stu, you eat by the weight. So they basically,
really?
I just fill the plate and then they weigh it, and then you eat it.
Chuck in. So we've got what? Potato, onion, a little bit of pork bits, and of course,
You wanted sausage, there's sausage.
sausage! Hello, my good friends. Hey, hey. Stuart from England. Hey, how are you? Can we get 2 of your finest beers? Thank you.
Why are you like this?
Golden clothes, tight curtains, 'cause all we need is candlelight. You and me, and a bottle of wine to hold you tonight.
What do we think? We think it's a good fit?
It's good.
I
I don't
just
know
do
why
pig,
Stu
look,
has to
here.
be like this. Why he's got to try on the t-shirt. Just buy a t-shirt.
You speak English?
Should be trying it on
Little.
in the middle
Hello.
of a Sausage Fest.
I say, Annika.
Stu, before we came out today, I asked you if you were going to bring a jumper or a coat. You said no because it was going to be hot. How do you feel right now? You seem to be shivering.
Yeah, I'm quite cold at the moment. So the issue is, like yesterday, there was a lot of heat control issues. Like my coat was on, my coat was off, my jumper was on, my jumper was off. So I thought, do you know what? The sun was shining, I thought I'd be fine. I've had to buy an extra t-shirt.
So it's just coming out to 6 p.m. and it's starting to get a bit busier here at Sausage Fest. There's a steady stream of people coming in, presumably the after work crowd. It's still good fun though. I think it might get really busy at the weekend, like today's Friday, but Saturday, Sunday, some of the tents are absolutely massive, and they're probably massive for a reason. So you're going to stay around for another few hours, have a few drinks, make some new friends, and question why Stu decided not to bring a jumper.
You're not supposed to film this bit.
You're a bit cold?
Yeah, it's getting a touch chilly. It's one of those ones, like, at about 5 o'clock, it was lovely, like, bordering on 19. It has really dropped now to about 10 or 12, and yes, I'm beginning to get a bit cold.
I thought you were going to pull that other beer over your head.
Yeah, I thought I was as well.
So this is langos, which is basically a Hungarian pizza type thing. It's deep fried with a bit of cream and stuff. We're going to give it a go. It's creamy. It's like pizza but creamy. It's like pizza but not as good. Cheers.
Cheers, Mr. Knox. A pleasure as always.
So it's 7 p.m. We've been here for several hours. It's really getting busy here now. I think we should stay and watch at least one of the main bands or main acts.
Yes, you're right.
And then call it a day. But thoroughly enjoyed Sausage Fest so far.
Oh my God, we've had so much food, different bits of food, sausages.
Yeah, it's a lovely place to come. It's a mix of traditional festival music and beer and mental stuff like tasers and flame-throwing pigs. So we're about to see an act called Bito Duo. I don't know because I'm not Hungarian. We go with an open mind because there's quite a crowd developing. We'll see what it's like. Stu, I don't know what was going on with that band. They were doing like a Bonnie Tyler, holding on for a hero, holding out for a hero.
I need a hero.
I need a hero.
It was awesome.
But they were singing Hungarian. I don't know if everyone knew that it wasn't another person's song.
I'm not so sure. I think they were trying to pass it off as their own.
The Csabai Sausage Festival has been an absolute treat. We've had a lovely time. We've eaten a lot of good sausages. We've danced a lot of music. Stu got to fire a taser. Generally, a great time. If you're in the neighbourhood, check it out. Thanks for watching. Back with another video soon.